Good morning, guys. My name is Bashir, and today I'm gonna explain you the code of object avoider bot. So we have previously studied in the in the laptop control board about how to run the motors. So the connections for the motor driver are the same, and the extra in this is the trigger pin and the echo pin. As we have learned in the previous session that uh, ultrasonic sensor has four pins. One is VC, and second is trigger pin, and third is echo pin and the ground pin. So VC is connected to 5 volt and ground to the ground of the Arduino. And we are connecting trigger pin to the 13 pins of the Arduino board and echo pin to the 12th pin of the Arduino board. So from the trigger pin we need to give the output, and from the echo pin we need to take the output. We need to take the input. So we just define them in the pin board here, and now this is the main code of the obstacle avoider board. In this we see in laptop control board we need to create a wave, create a pulse. So as the pulse hits so as the pulse comes out from the ultrasonic sensor and hits the obstacle and then comes back. So for triggering the pulse we need to set trigger pin to high. So first we set trigger pin to low, and then we give it 2 microsecond delay, and then again set the trigger pin too high. So what it will do, that it will just create a pulse, and then what we are doing here is we are just calculating the duration for which echo pin is high. What does it mean? That the time that it will take, duration is so the time that it will take to go from the ultrasonic sensor and then hit the obstacle and then come back. So it will calculate the total time for which echo pin is high. So the distance that our wave is traveling is twice. So going to the obstacle and then coming back. So we just need to apply the formula, and this is the formula is this, and we need to divide the formula by 2, and this is the calculation that we are doing here. Okay, so after we have stored the distance in this distance variable, then what we are saying is we are just comparing distance. If distance is greater than 20, that means obstacle is far off from the bot. So what we are doing is setting our we are just setting our motor our bot in the forward direction, so our bot will move in forward direction. And then if the distance is less than 20 centimeter, what does it mean? That there's a obstacle in front of the bot. So first we are making a bot stop, and then we are making a bot move forward and then again stop and then move left, and then some 2 seconds delay. So what will it me do then? And see, this whole code is in loop, void loop. So it will run again and again. It will again test the condition whether there is an obstacle in front of the bot or not. It will again check the condition, and if there is obstacle in front of the ball, this code will run again and again. So if we need to stop the bot, I have added here an extra condition. What does it do? That if you give an input from the serial monitor S or smallest, the bot will stop. It just makes your bot stop, nothing else. Okay, guys. So I think I hope you understood the code. Thank you.